Flow coats. Knock it off. Quit doing them. So flow coats, aka dumb. Unless you're doing a lowrider or a race car or an old school mini truck or something with a bunch of graphics that is not one of those things where you need to bury multiple layers of base and candies and flake or whatever, quit doing flow coats. If you're just doing a regular paint job or a restoration or even something with SS stripes, just knock it off. So, you're ready for clear, right? Say you're going to put 4 or 5 coats of clear on. First coat, second coat, third coat, fourth coat. You're going to cut and buff it. You're going to start with 600 or 800. So you're going to put a 5th coat on there. Here's the thing about stacking 5 coats of clear, is these are all one layer. Now when you cut and buff this, when you're sanding down these layers and you're getting into this, it's all uniform. It's like one solid piece of clear. Let's do it the flow coat way. You're going to put 1 coat on, and you're going to put 2 coats on. Maybe you're going to get crazy. Maybe you're going to put 3 coats on. Then you're going to stop. This dries. Now you're going to sand this with 1000 grit or whatever you're going to do to knock down all your dirt and your orange peel. And then you're going to put a flow coat on, because that is going to make it perfect, because unlike all these layers of clear you did over here, and unlike these 2 or 3 you did here, for some reason, when you spray these last 2 coats on this one, those are going to come out perfectly clean, no orange peel at all. You won't even have to touch it. It's just done. No. This is going to have dirt in it. This is going to have orange peel in it. This is going to have dry spots in it, because I've seen your paint jobs. And so you're going to sand this anyway. So let's say you only have to start with 1500 because it came out so good. Once you get through these 2 layers, this barrier here, where it dried after your first 2 or 3 coats, these 2 clear jobs are like 2 separate paint jobs. They're not one. Once you sand through this and you break into these ones, you're going to see a halo, an edge around where you sanded through. No amount of buffing is going to get rid of that. You'll always see this hazy edge here. So why are you doing that? Knock it off. This one you can sand all the way back down until there's only 1 coat of clear left on it. Buff it out, it's fine. I don't get it. Stop it, it's a waste of time. Quit doing it. Also, let's say I painted this car. It's cleared, I just sanded it down. I'm gonna put some graphics on here. So I go to the sign place and have them make me a sticker. Right here it's gonna say Chevette. Well, I want to bury that sticker in clear, so I can just spray a little clear right here, let it dry, sand it down, have a crappy edge around where I stop my clear, and then flow coat the car? No. Quit doing that. That's weird. Why would you do that? In the end, you can do whatever you want. Clear over stickers, clear parts of panels. Just putting my opinion out there. But yeah, flow coats are stupid.